Leave the paper. Leave the paper. Yeah. Talk. Action.
Hi, my name is Zain. I'm studying in St. Mary's Public School. I'm 8 years old. I'm studying in 3rd standard.
Okay.
My
Then
favorite hobby is cricket.
cricket. You like doggies?
Yeah,
Kittens? Say no, I love kittens.
I love kittens.
Okay. You like milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn profiles, please. Okay. The other side. Come. Thanks. Smile. Give a good smile, yeah. Come on in. What is this? Okay. Tell me, you have a valid passport with you?
Yes.
Say.
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Okay. Smart. Okay. Oh yeah, more. Say that.
Baya,
More. Happy. Happy. Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Baya, wow.
Yes. Get down. Hug him. Stand. Smile, happy. Smile. Chin down. Smile.